Every week I go out for about 5 to 10 photo shoots here in the Chicago/Indiana area. And every time I go out, I try to do one of these. I try to create a vlog. I grab my camera, load up the backpack of choice for the day, hop in the car, and I bees on my way. But in the midst of all of that, sometimes I'll do what I'm doing now. I'll sit down and make an introduction. I'll wing the introduction, bullet point it, or write it out and script the whole entire thing. But for the life of me, I can never finish the vlog. I don't know if it's because I'm rushing or I get so focused on actually taking the photography or getting from point A to point B, but I just forget to pick up the camera. Like literally, just leave the camera in the car or in the backpack. Just never take it out. Who am I kidding? I don't forget the camera. I think about the camera the entire time. It's just, I don't know, I just don't take it out. I don't record anything. The vlog just kind of goes out the window. So when I'm there, like actually on location, I think of a shot, pictured in my mind. And the biggest issue is that when it comes down to it, there's just not enough time while I'm on location. Either I'm running over shoot time, and it's not either. It's like I am on location, I'm running over shoot time, and I have to get to another location, and pulling out the camera and recording, it just isn't an option. Or I'm in the car, there's traffic, and I'm behind schedule. So if I pull out the camera on location, I'm running behind, and then I hit traffic and I'm even further behind, and now I'm late. And most of the time I'm in a rush trying to get from location to location, and nothing else matters. You can only plan ahead so much. Yeah, that's just the hard truth. But today is different. I'm gonna vlog today. So the goal is to film more than just me driving from location to location with the GoPro Hero 8 Black. Speaking of being on location, I am on location right now, and I'm going to go in and photograph this property. You know how I mentioned earlier that I'm always running short on time due to complications? Today is no different. The agent had forgotten to leave the keys in the lockbox for self-tours. I had to make a few calls to assistants or whatever and get access to the master lockbox in order to get the master keys to the property, so then I could access the property and take the photos. I'm back. Vlogging is a process, but it can be as simple as turning on the camera and recording what you're doing throughout the day. It can be as complex as planning out the entire thing from start to finish and having a storyline throughout. You can even throw in a review of something that, having the video tailored around a specific person, place, thing, and it can be that complex. Or you can just throw it all out the window and do what you want to do. And that is to say that I still don't know how I'm going to do these vlogs, and that's where I'm going to close it out. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay awesome.